I've been told that she's good as gold. Yeah, and she'll leave you wanting more, laying low. But I could see the smoke, yeah, and I knew it wouldn't be long. Well, I could stay, whoa, I could stay away long enough to die another day. Well, I could try to get it right, if it's gonna keep you alive, keep you alive. Saying, who is smoking cigarettes? Who is smoking something else? Who is smoking cigarettes? Who is smoking something else? Oh, just take it slow. Don't you go looking for trouble now. I don't know why I can't let go. That woman's got me her naked show. The mess I know. Woo! Hey Gringo, whoa, you gotta stay out of Mexico. And I say the war. Hey, tranquilo amigo, I didn't know she was spoken for. Now I'm a lover, not a fighter. It's all bueno. Saying, who is smoking cigarettes? Who is smoking something else? Who is smoking cigarettes? Who is smoking something else? Is it you? Is it you? Is it you? I sold my soul for the sad strokes and rock and roll. Said I sold my soul to a woman in Mexico. That woman in Mexico.
Hi there, how are you? Today I'm doing the dance Hey Gringo. 64 counts to World Intermediate. This is a track of 8 counts happens at the end of wall 1 and 3, facing 6 o'clock. Also, there is one restart in wall 5 after count 56, with step change, restart at 6 o'clock. Now the dance. First section, weight on your left to start with your right, walk out, right knee in, look to left. Step forward 1/4 forward, half turn, diagonal, Dorothy. Step, lock, step. Next action, side rock, recover, side chassé, cross recover together, cross side. Next section, back point, cross amber, cross points together, points out, 1 3/4, touch, ball step. Next section, forward, hold 2, ball forward, rock recover, triple 3/4. Next section, Dorothy, step, lock step, step, lock step, cross recover, back touch diagonal, Next section, out, hold 2, heel swivel, right heel in, recover, left heel in, recover, back recover, kick ball cross. Next section, side behind, hitch ronde, right sailor, left sailor, back recover. Last section, back half, forward half, quarter ball cross, point out. Monterey half turn point out, kick ball point. At the end of wall 1 and 3, there is a tag of 8 counts. Now the tag. Rock recover together, rock recover, back stomp, hold 6. Swivel both heels to right, recover, repeat, right recover. And the count of the tag, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. Now the count of the dance, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. And 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, and 8. And 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. In wall 5, there is one restart after count 56 with step change. Now wall 5. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. And 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, and 8. And 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. Turn 1/4 right, back recover on 7, 8, and then restart a new wall at 6 o'clock. So this is the whole dance. Hope you like it, and I'll see you next time. Kobe!